Hello, everybody. So, we're back again with a new week. I did not trade the past Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday because I blew my Apex account. It was the last day, anyways. So, I was looking to buy another account, but for some reason, for some strange reason, there's really no discounts going on for like 80% off on accounts on evals. So, I'm not even gonna buy one today because, I mean, I don't know. It just doesn't really make sense to buy one, so I'm not going to. What do I see in the market? We already tapped this daily fair value gap, which gives me confidence to go lower. We tapped into this new week opening gap, which is nice. There's a new day right here, opening gap. I think. I guess not. This is a new week opening gap as well. What the fuck? But yeah. So this little new week opening gap and this little float. Oh fuck. Fuck, I'm so stupid. 1 hour fair value gap. That price is tapping. But price also rejected off this 4 hour. But of course that daily is stronger than that 4 hour. So I'm just seeing if price making some sort of retrace to this little order block. Or we have this order block as well. Price could be trying to retrace off of. So sadly I can't take any trades today on Apex account or a funded account, which is fine. I'll be patient. Patience is key. I'll just take it on a paper trade account to get back in that groove. Down pretty much a lot on this Apex on this uh fucking paper trade account because I haven't really traded on it consistently and like in a good way. So but anyways, so we're tapping up into I want to see a market structure shift to the downside, but price could end up not giving me that until we possibly tap up into I don't know, maybe this fair value gap as well. This is a 1 hour, so might as well mark out all the 1 hours and stuff like that. It's a 1 on the 15 as well with equal highs, so we could sweep that and possibly go lower just because we tapped already this daily fair value gap, but that 4 hour could make us reverse anyways, so we'll just have to see how price reacts to the downside. I will update with anything. Oh god. So what do I see? Price is moving its way up. Now my dilemma is that price has just tapped into this hourly order block aligned with fair value gap. Since we just tapped that daily or fair value gap, this could be a push lower, right? And since we're already in a bearish market, we could take out maybe this low, maybe this low, to fill out that previous new week opening gap from a long time ago, 2 weeks ago. But just based on this model right here, this looks like a market structure shift to the upside. So what am I wanting to see? I'm looking at the 5 minute to see if we can get some sort of market structure shift below this low right here. But seeing as it is Monday, Monday usually likes to push in a single direction, so bullish would be my target to these London highs. We are in a premium of this range right here. So I want to see some sort of tap below here. If we do not get a market structure shift through, I want something on the lower time frame to go up, which also can happen. We could also tap into this fair value gap if price does not want to continue lower. We have this breaker on the hourly as well. So and 10 a.m. is coming up, so that breaker could end up being a sort of confluence. I'll just put breaker block hourly. This is a higher time frame breaker block, so. But we'll have to see. If we do move to the downside, I'm not gonna take anything unless we have a market structure shift. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. I'll update. All right, so 10 a.m. just came and we actually closed below this candle, respecting that 1 hour. So right now I'm gonna look for a market structure shift. I'm pretty certain we're gonna be bearish this day. So I'm looking to see if price can close below this low and possibly give a push back down. Possibly even taking out this liquidity right here, even though we did tap pretty much off of that order block. We still have this New York PM session. Old lows, you know, it's actually smart to add 2 sessions to this indicator. Is it? I thought this was this not a New York PM session low? Okay, strange, whatever. I guess it wasn't. Anyways, we'll see how price wants to react off of this. If we close below there, we can end up taking a trade off of that. The fuck, dude? I'm still fucking recording? What the fuck? Oh my god, bro. I'm trying to sell this shit, but it doesn't fucking sell. Bro, oh my god, bro. I hate paper trading, bro. This is so fucking annoying, dog. Sell this shit, dude. Oh my god. Alright, whatever. You know what the fuck the trade was, man. Exit this shit out. I hate this shit, bro. Genuinely. I don't know why I'm still fucking recording, bro. Whatever. I guess this is my trade. I don't know why it's not doing it, but. Alright, so, I mean, whoever's watching this shit, you saw the fucking, oh god. You saw the fucking entry right here. My order is at 1215875. The high of this candle is 25159. So basically, literally a single tick fill. That is a top tick fill off of that breaker. My entry was actually below the breaker. So, but what do we see now? I would have gone break even right here on this trade, because I don't know and I don't want to get stopped. Because seeing as what price is doing, we just tapped that order block on the 15-minute, and we're possibly reversing back bullish. So in the end, this could be a break-even trade, but that is a trade I would take. So yeah, I would still take in that trade. It's not like I wouldn't have, but the 1 hour looks a bit strange. It looks like we're gonna get stopped here though, unless price wants to go down a little, tap into this range, but most likely a break-even trade on this day, which is good. I like the entry. As you can know, I'm not cherry picking any entry. That's just a very clean entry I had. We'll see if that plays out. I low-key think we're going to be break-even again, but who knows? We could end up respecting this high and not going down there. We did tap this order block, but yeah, who knows? Looks like we're gonna get stopped really soon. Let's just wait for it. If we were to hold the trade, we could keep our stop like maybe here or here to reduce the stop loss, but let's just pretend we were holding it. Let's just see if it would have played out. Alright, we're going back down, which is nice. I'll just update you guys if it gets hit or if it gets reversed. Alright, so my trade would have hit right here. I actually reduced my take profit to this low that was formed. My break even would have remained intact, which is perfect. I love that. That's why I don't trade fair value gaps anymore. Honestly, I trade more breaker blocks, order blocks, because price taps these things before ever you know, retracing to a fair value gap. So why wouldn't you want to take a trade like that anyways? So what was the amount? It would have been 4 cons. I would have traded 4 cons, 393. So times that by 2. 787 would have been my trade, and it's around a 1-to-1. So I would have hit that trade. Beautiful. Price then looks like making a rebalance, but beautiful trade. I mean, it would have made 786 on its day if I took this fucking trade. But my fucking paper trading account is so ass that it just doesn't work. Anyways, what do I think we're gonna do next? We could honestly consolidate this day. I don't know if price wants to continue pushing lower. Mostly due to the fact that like we've already pushed way lower and we've already made a huge market structure shift up from the previous day from last week, so I don't believe we are to go any lower, but it is a trade in the bearish direction just due to the tap of this daily fair value gap. That's literally it, pretty much. That's my confluence. So yeah, well, that's pretty much it. I'm done for the trading day, quote unquote, because I didn't actually trade fucking shit. But also, what was my fears here? This 15-minute order block was a little bit scary. Looks like it could have gone back up and stopped me out at break even. I did not believe price would honestly reverse bullish just because, we respected this 1 hour. So why would we reverse off a 15-minute? A 1 hour is way more powerful. Anyways, that's it for the day. 1-1. Beautiful. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Also, I'm going to try to buy an Apex account when it gets on sale. On sale.